Welcome to the first tutorial in a web platform series, Creating an Account. The Ancestral Homes web platform offers lots of great resources without ever having to log in, but if you want to upload homes of your own, you'll need to sign up for a free Ancestral Homes account. To get started, head to ancestralhomes.net and click on the Login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Register button, which will take you to the Create an Account screen. Enter your email address into the first form field. Make sure that it's one that you have easy access to. While we'll send you an email to confirm that the address does in fact belong to you, rest assured that that's all the Ancestral Homes Network will use it for. We will never use your email address for marketing purposes or sell your personal information to outsiders. The next two form fields are for your password. Fill it in the first, and then confirm it again in the second. If they don't match, the page will display a warning to you in red. Ensure that you pick a strong password with at least 6 characters in it. Click the link to read our terms and conditions. Then go back to the registration form and check the box that says you've read and accept them. You can then click the Register button, and a message will be displayed indicating that a registration email has been successfully sent. Now it's time to confirm that the email address you used to create the account actually belongs to you. This is a very important step. If you do not complete it within 30 minutes of clicking Register, your Ancestral Homes account will not work, and you will have to redo the whole registration process. Navigate to wherever you read your emails, and look for a message that looks like this. Inside, you'll find a link that you can click to confirm your account. The link will bring you back to Ancestral Homes, and if you see a success message like this one, your account is all set up and ready to go. Now, whenever you would like to log into Ancestral Homes, all you have to do is click Login and fill in your email address and password. If you'd rather not type in your email address every time, you can click the Remember Me checkbox before you log in. This will save the email address for you so that it will already be filled in the next time you visit the site. Congratulations! You're now all set up to start adding your own homes to the Ancestral Homes database.